Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Ayan. So, lahat sila bumagsak. Okay. So, pauna mensahe ninyo, Rainbow. The most difficult part of a situation is over. So, which is really good, no? You are blessed kasi yung mahirap na sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo ngayon ay nalagpasan nyo na or malalagpasan nyo na. You have Fairfield, someone new is entering your life. Ayan, may bagong tao papasok sa buhay ninyo at this time. Baka magkakaroon na kayo ng boyfriend, magkakaroon na kayo ng bagong kaibigan, bagong manliligaw, no? So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. We have recognition, reward for merit. Ayan. Good job kayo dito, Capricorn. Ano? Kaya, marirecognize ang inyong effort, marirecognize ang inyong pinagtrabahuan, ano? Napakaganda. Kasi, tsaka maaring mabigyan kayo dito ng mabigyan kayo ng financial reward, no? So, good luck, Capricorn. We have you will be playing a different role. Ayan. So, siguro, dahil dito sa galing for the job well done na ginawa ninyo, baka yung promotion, may bibigay sa inyo dito. Baka ma-offeran kayo ng promotion. Kaya, ay sorry po, nagalaw yung, camera. Kaya siguro kayo, you will be playing a different role na kasi nga mabibigyan na kayo ng ibang posisyon sa trabaho. We have dog close up, pleasure with a close friend. Ayan, so napakaganda rin kasi syempre, kailangan din natin ito, no? Magkaroon din tayo ng social life at maaaring meron kayong gagawin ng inyong kaibigan, no? Bonding moment ninyo. We have dog barking, advice from a friend. Ayan, marireceive ninyo advice from your kaibigan, no? This could be solicited advice. Maaari din naman na unsolicited advice ito. So, whatever the case may be, meron kayong advice na makukuha from your kaibigan. We have unicorn. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Okay? So, gamitin ninyo ang inyong intuition. No? Makinig kayo sa inyong makinig kayo sa inyong divine guidance, makinig kayo sa inyong mga intuitive messages na nare-receive at sundin ninyo ito kasi guidance yan ng Panginoon sa inyo, okay? We have shield, you need to defend yourself, alright? Kailangan ninyong depensahan ang inyong sarili dito, Capricorn. Maaring meron kayong, mga detractors dito, no? Maaring merong mga nang-i-intimidate sa'yo, nang-aaway sa'yo. And if you feel like kailangan mo depensa ng sarili mo, go for it, diba? What else? We have grapes. Time to go out and have fun. Okay? Time to go out and have fun. Maaring ito yon, no? Yung pleasure with kaibigan. Maaring yun na yun. So, good luck to that. Kailangan din ninyo yan. We have tortoise. Slowly but surely getting ahead. Okay? So, tawag dito, you're going to do things very cautiously sa ngayon. Hindi kayo magmamadala, hindi kayo you're not in a rush, kumbaga dito. So, maybe every step of the way na natataken ninyo, pinagpaplanuhan, pinag-iisipan. Sigurista kayo ngayon. I'm getting the energy of of the Knight of Pentacles dito, no, sa Tarot, na you are moving slowly, but surely you're getting ahead. You have haystack, karma, you will reap what you have sown. Yung karma is at play. Kung ano yung kind of energy, no, na pinut out ninyo into the universe in the past, yan din ang inyong makukuha sa ngayon. Yan din ang babalik sa inyo sa ngayon. We have harp, great happiness. Ayan. So, masaya, no? Capricorn, masaya. Magiging maganda rin ang lahat. Finally, no? Lalo-lalo na, no? The difficult situation is over na, diba? Kaya, marami, no? Provided that you are going to listen and follow what your intuition is telling you, then definitely makakarating talaga kayo sa dapat inyong mapuntahan, malalagay kayo sa dapat inyong kalagyan, and you will going to be very happy, no? We have dog far away, a distant friend is thinking of you. Meron nag-iisip sa inyo na nasa malayong lugar. malayo sa inyo geographically. So, maaaring kaibigan nyo talaga yan, maaari din naman na kamag-anak ninyo, posible din, no? Baka anak ninyo, asawa ninyo, boyfriend ninyo, ganun. We have egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. Ayan. So, magtatagumpay kayo. There is a promise of success provided, no, that you have good plans and you're going to work hard for it, no? At makukuha ninyo yung inyong tagumpay. We have claw, be careful, do not take risk. Okay, hindi ngayon ang panahon para mag-take risk kayo. Now is not the perfect time para sumubo kayo ng mga bagong sitwasyon or bagong avenues dito. So, stay put lang muna kayo, no? Stick to what you are doing right now. Stick to what you are focusing on right now. Kaya, importanteng makikinig kayo sa inyong intuition because you will be guided, no, kung saan na kayo papunta, ano na ang susunod din yung gagawin. If the path that you are taking is the best path para sa inyo or kailangan ninyo pag-focusan sa ngayon, so kaya importanteng makikinig kayo sa inyong intuition. Okay, so good luck, thank you for watching. Love and light, namaste.